Real quick before this video starts, I just wanted to say thank you all very much for the 200 subscribers. But the fact that you guys are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out, I feel very grateful for that. So thank you all very much for subscribing. I'll be doing a giveaway once I reach 250 subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Since the video of my girlfriend doing makeup on me was so popular, I thought we'd switch up the roles a little bit and have me do her makeup.
Alright guys, you've seen it all before. You see her put on makeup on me. Now it's my time to put makeup on her. Any thoughts prior to going into this? She's not gonna help me at all.
If I just talked you through it, it wouldn't be fun.
True. Okay, first we do the lotion, right? We need to...
Can you do my makeup every morning?
Uh-huh. Why do we do this again?
To moisturize.
To moisturize. Look at how cute you are. What's gonna be different from this time compared to when you did it to me? You know what you're doing?
You don't know makeup.
Yeah.
This stuff is taking like an hour and a half.
Did I put too much on?
No, you just... Viewers, it's foundation now.
I think when I'm building a house, I build the foundation first. So I'm putting the foundation first. Okay, we're spreading out your face first. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
I usually use one pump for my entire face.
Where is the foundation brush? Oh, come on.
Why would it be fun if I talked you through doing my makeup?
I have no clue what I'm doing. Any insecurities or any spots I didn't hit? There's a big ring right here. Yeah, a little bit. There's just like a big circle.
You can fix that, you know?
Can I put more on?
I don't think you need more.
You don't think
I look like a ghost.
This one? Is this blush? What do you think? Is this blush? This looks like blush. She uses a lot of it, so we're gonna assume it's blush. Now you go all the way from the ear to the cheek. We're doing everything completely wrong. These aren't pink, so I'm assuming this isn't your... Yeah, this isn't... Yeah, that's what I thought. Glad to hear that I was wrong as hell, but I already did one side, so I gotta do it to the other.
I mean, it doesn't look bad, honestly.
That's a good color. We're just gonna wing it. Can you give me like a rating when I'm done? Like out of 10 of how like bad? Mm-hmm. Look at the bottom of her lip. I guess not that bad.
I can't stop laughing. It's like I'm Kylie Jenner now.
Did you know that your boyfriend was a makeup guru?
Did you know you're dating James Charles?
Should I just exaggerate the top lip?
Why not, babe?
Because we exaggerated the bottom, let's exaggerate the top. You know what you look like? The girl from Monsters Inc. that has the big lips.
You're making my lips longer? Why? Nobody wants that. Yeah, let's just draw them out to about here.
What's next? Eyeliner.
It's not that bad.
Good! I'll take it. Next one. My baby is a model. Oh my goodness. Is this it? This is it? This is it, isn't it? This is definitely it.
It's not.
It's not?
I made that face because if you put that on my eyelids, I'd probably be
Would you?
It's a henna.
Oh.
Like tattoo ink.
Alright, next is eyeliner.
That is not bad.
Or I don't like the wing or the fly that people do, so I like that one. So, did you think that I'd be this good at putting makeup on you? How do girls do this with one eye? I think you look beautiful.
You always think I look beautiful. I think that I could honestly go out in this and people...
Really?
And people, I wouldn't feel comfortable, but like people probably wouldn't even notice that like my boyfriend did it. I watched some of these videos on YouTube where they're like, I think the problem is that Andrew's watched me do my makeup a million times. I did his makeup, so he knew the steps, kind of. I think if he went in knowing absolutely nothing,
I know nothing.
It would look way worse. The eyeliner, some people can't even do eyeliner on themselves. This is decent.
Really? Oh my god.
Okay, well the first mistake you made was you didn't blend my makeup, my foundation well at all. Faces around here where there's no foundation, but for a beginner, that's gonna happen. I see people do that.
And now?
That do their makeup every day.
Wow. What do you think about the eyeshadow? Did I do bad?
No, you didn't do bad. I don't think that it's that bad. Just looking at me, the only thing that I see is really bad is my lipstick is like down to here. But anyway, yeah, it's not bad. You probably can't even tell unless I get...
Look at how pretty you are.
I just want to show them like this.
Oh, when I missed the foundation?
This, like a 5.
A 5? I'll take it though. Do you know someone who wears makeup to this ability? Like, do you think?
Shut up!
Do you think?
Yeah, I'm just gonna start roasting everybody I know.
Do you think that I do makeup better than some girls?
No.
No. The best Boyfriend does girlfriend makeup.
I don't know about that.
You don't know about? Wait, let's see some pictures.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys are interested in more of what I make, here's my 2 recommended videos right above my hands. And be sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll let you know when I make videos. Thanks for watching, everybody.